Hello friends, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we'll be learning how we can insert an image in an HTML document. You may have seen a lot of websites, a lot of images in that. It's quite easy to add it. So let's see it. Firstly, we have an HTML document. We have set it as add image.html. You can add any name. Firstly, we have set the doc type HTML. This is a doc type declaration and a requirement for every HTML document. Now the HTML tag, which close here. Then the heading tag, and within that the title tag. We can add a title here, insert image in HTML. Now the head tag closes. Now go to the body tag. Let's add some content. Let's add our artwork for an example. Now to add an image, use the img tag. Within that the src attribute to set the source of the image. Then comes the alt tag. Alt tag is the alternate text which is used for screen readers. Let's say a visually impaired user want to know that this image is for what purpose. For that, you need to add a description of the image. You can add 2 to 3 words, whatever you want. So it is a good practice for SEO as well. Basics of SEO. Google want you to add alt tag to every image. Always remember that. Then comes the height and the width of the image. You need to just close it. Now let's add the link here. Now here's the link. So this is the absolute link, we can say. If you're using it on a website, the root would be the name of the website. You can remove this. For an example, we are including the complete link. Now set the alt text. Let's set it Leonify. Height, I'll set it 300 and width I'll set 300. Now we will save it and run it. Now you can see add image.html is visible. I'll double click on it to run it. Now you can see the text is visible or artwork. With that the image is visible. This is how you can easily add an image in a HTML document. You can also set the width and height of the image, which we have set here, 300 height as well as 300 width. In the same way you can easily add images. In this video we saw how we can easily add an image in an HTML document. If you want to add more images, you can just use the img tag again with the new source of the image, new image, and the height, width as well as the other attributes. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned. We have more programming videos in our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe for more programming as well as web development tutorials.